This is the story of the little girls. Right, Angela?
Right.
She's one of the sisters. Bye.
May dalawang bakla. Isa galing sa Hong Kong. Naka-yellow. Kikay, isa galing sa States. Lapit tayo. Isang araw, naglalakad sila, naghahanap ng papa.
Let's go look for Papa.
Holding hands.
Holding hands. Skipping. Biglang natapilok ang dalawa.
Hindi naman tapilok eh.
Wait. They're on the ground, crawling sexily, trying to attract some people. At nagkuko na rin pusa. Yung isa na inggit, sinampal yung isa. Yung ka na? At nag-catwalk bigla. Nag-catwalk papunta sa beach.